Okay, I'm here with Roman of Dr. Logic, and so I'm over to you. Tell us about what you do.
My name is Roman, I run Dr. Logic, and we're a small service desk company providing outsourced service desks for small businesses in London that are Apple-based.
Just Macs?
Mostly Macs, but these days the lines are blurring. Lots of PC companies are wanting to go over to Mac, and also, even with companies that are Mac-based, they probably have a PC doing Sage accounts or the like somewhere in the back office.
Right, so you support a lot, really.
That's right. Also, because Apple doesn't really make servers anymore, they have a couple of offerings, but they're not proper servers. They don't have redundant power or anything like that. We are putting more PC and Linux servers in place as well to complement the Macs.
Got your own cloud offering?
Yeah, we do. We run another service called Undo, and Undo is an online backup service running software called CrashPlan, which is used by the likes of Apple, Groupon, Salesforce, the FBI. So it's a great piece of software, and it allows our customers to move away from having to use disk or tape backup, which usually doesn't work very well because people don't look after that. So they can just forget about it, sign up with us, and then everything is safe on-site and off-site.
Right. Okay, so that sounds like a real good belt and braces solution.
Yeah, exactly. And it also works very well for mobile sales forces. People don't have to be in the office to back up. They can be anywhere. As long as they're connected to the internet, their data is being backed up minute to minute.
And you've been around the trade for a while, haven't you?
We started out in about 2003. And we were working with very small businesses, sole proprietors, maybe people of just a few businesses, just a few people. Over the years we've grown, hired staff, got premises, and now we work with all types of companies. Being Apple-based, they're usually more creative, but anywhere from, as I said, sole traders now to companies about 50, 60 people, in anything from we have one client that makes ejector seats for fighter planes all the way through to musos, singer-songwriters.
Yeah, I know who those are, the ejector seat people. They're, who are they? Just remind me.
They might be called Martin Baker.
Yes, Martin Baker, yeah. Only people in the world that make them, aren't they? Yeah.
That's right.
Okay.
So real breadth, but the thing they have in common is that they're using Macs usually in some kind of creative sense, although we do also work with small bespoke investment companies. And some of our clients use Macs just because they prefer them. They bought the iPad, the iPhone at home, then they've bought a laptop or an iMac for the kids, and they really like it, and then they want to move that into the company as well.
Sure.
And I've heard, for example, recently, we don't work with them, but Freud Communications, they've just gone completely Mac.
Who, sorry?
Freud Communications.
Oh, right.
The big PR company.
Yeah, I know. Okay, anything else you want to say? Anything else you want to say about Dr. Logic, you've got your own brand, haven't you? You've a standalone business.
That's right. So, because we work with Apple a lot, we're part of the Apple Consultants Network. So what that means is that we've been vetted by Apple, and we have all the basics in place that they would want us to have. For example, certification, also the right insurance that any company really should have.
And is it just London, or do you work beyond that?
We work mainly in London. Our philosophy really is that we're a service company. We're interested in people mostly, and then the technology comes. We obviously need to know what we're doing with technology, but without the people part, it doesn't work. And as well as providing support and maintenance, which is the break fix and just making sure that the right things are being done to the machine to keep them going, we also do something which we call development. So our contracts also provide a quota every month, not just to keep things going, but to improve things. So we focus on 3 different elements of IT. So it may be, for example, the business continuity, training needs, and improving broadband service, for example. We run that over 3 months, and then we'll choose the next 3. It means that a company is not becoming stagnant, because the thing is, if you just support them, they're going to, every once in a while, need this big project to overhaul everything. We do that on an ongoing basis.
Yeah, so that's just treading water and support.
Yeah, exactly.
Anything you want to add?
That's it.
Cool, thanks.
Thank you.